Dear student Jayan, this is another example of homogeneous differential equation. Here 1 power of y, 0 power of x, 1 power of x minus 1 power of y is in denominator. X upon y is equal to x into y power minus 1. 1 power of x minus 1 power of y becomes 0 power of combined power of xy. 0 can be, but here is y power 1, y power 1, x power 1. Combined power of x and y in each term is 1. This can be neglected because this is 0 power, combined power is 0, not plus 1 minus 1. So this is also homogeneous equation. But here we cannot take y is equal to vx, because if we take y is equal to vx, then x upon y become 1 upon v. Power of e becomes 1 upon v, which makes a problem, reciprocal function. Therefore, in this situation, we assume x is equal to vy. That is, x upon y is equal to v. Rule is either x upon y is equal to v or y upon x is equal to v must be. Check the homogeneous differential equation. Either assume y upon x is equal to v or x upon y is equal to v, not 1 upon v. So here x upon y is given, therefore we assume x upon y is equal to v, that is x is equal to vy. Applying product rule of differentiation, this gives dx is equal to v dy plus y dv. Now this differential equation become 2y into e to power v. X upon y is equal to v dx plus y plus 2 vy into e to power v into dy. 2y e to power v into dx. Value of dx is v dy plus y dv plus y minus 2vy e to power v dy is equal to 0. This implies take y common from this bracket. Here is y present. Take y throughout, send right side, 0 upon y become 0. So therefore this become 2 e to power v into v dy plus y dv plus 1 minus 2v e to power v dy is equal to 0. This is function of v only, therefore this bracket cannot be opened. Here there are two variables v and y, therefore open this bracket. This implies 2v e to power v, 2v e to power v dy plus y 2 e to power v dv plus 1 minus 2v e to power v dy is equal to 0. dy take dy common. In bracket 2v e to power v 2v e to power v plus 1 minus 2v e to power v here plus y 2y e to power v dv is equal to 0. This implies 2v e to power v, 2v e to power v, we can cancel, remains dy minus dy is equal to 2y e to power v dv is equal to 0. This implies minus dy upon y, this is equal to what? E to power v dv, okay, 2. This implies minus log y is equal to 2 e to power v. You can add here c plus c. This implies c minus log of y is equal to 2 e to power x upon y. This implies 2 e to power x upon y plus log y is equal to c. This is your solution. In this way, you can solve any question from homogeneous differential equation. Thank you. Now, solve questions from homogeneous differential equation. If there is any unsolved question, feel free to ask the same via WhatsApp. Thank you very much.